So it's the night before and yeah, we're just packing up. So let's get all the gear in the van, show you what we're doing. Now, if your partner's anything like mine, she waits till we get to the airport and says, hey, did you get the passports? You bought the toothbrush, the kids too? You're like, gee, what, now? Now you're saying this to me? Why are you not organized? I hate that. Anyway, so today is about getting ready because tomorrow, big day, tomorrow, we're at Amazon in Dunstable. Now we go to Amazon every 12 weeks for a 12-hour window. That's all we get. And we have to literally line mark everything they need across the building, across the estate, whatever it is, we've got to get it done. Tomorrow's no exception. I've got to load up a lot of paint, line marking gear, grinding systems, you name it, we've got to get it all loaded and sent down to Amazon in Dunstable so we can get this project handed over. So I'm going to load up the rest of the gear that we've got here, ready to take down, and I'm going to fast forward this video to tomorrow morning when we're going to be on site cracking on with the job. Let's jump straight to tomorrow. So we just arrived here at Amazon. It has only just stopped raining. Today we're working with James Churchman and two of his guys, Jay and Sean. So what we're going to do, we're going to start out with the indoor car park that we're doing, the multi-story. We've just got the walking men symbols down. We've got the red circle to go around. Let me show you what we're up to. Let's dive on. These are what we're installing, and these guys have only just been dried and installed. So to install all of this, what we're going to do is we're going to use the spray machine by Graco, line mark everything with that in the white first to get the walking men. Once they're dry, we'll get the red circles down, and then we've got a small sort of hatch line across the front for no walking on the ramps. So let's spin around and I'll show you a little bit of an install here. So this is where we're supposed to be line marking today, but it's been called off because of the rain and it really is wet. So no chance of getting that done in this weather. So we're now on site here at Woodway Packaging here in Burton Latimer, where we're doing our next job of the day. Amazon's finished off for today. The rain's held us up, so not much more we can do there. Let's run inside and I'll show you what we're doing here at Woodway. So behind me is the very first set of lines that we've installed here for Bunzl Woodway, and they're looking amazing. These are 100mm wide yellow lines. They've been shot blasted, taped, and let's have a quick look. I'll show you just what they look like. This is what your warehouse floor would look like once the lines are installed. Now bear in mind the tape is still down, so what we would actually do is peel up the tape. Once these are done, you're left with that really sharp, crisp edge. Let's have a quick look. So we do have a video coming out on what to expect when you have your warehouse line marked, but to give you a quick idea of what we're going to be including in the video and what it looks like when we're actually line marking, this is in progress. So as you can see here, this is the paint that has just been applied, and what we've done is we've shot blasted the ground here, taped up the edges, and then the paint's been applied by a hand roller. And then what we do once it's secured, we just peel up the sides here. So if I just show you a little demo bit, you'll see the nice crisp finish that we get once it's all cured and ready to go. So that's pretty much what it looks like, but we do have a full video coming out on what to expect when having your warehouse line marked, so that should be out next week for you. Anyway, that's pretty much a wrap for tonight. I'm gonna call it a day, head back tomorrow. In fact, all weekend we're here at Bunzl, Woodway, and we'll be getting an awful lot more work done over that period. So I'll show you what we're up to over the coming days. We'll see you guys in the next video.